Alright, this is Mr. Gillum, and today we're going to be looking at an example from your Practice and Problem Solving book about writing and evaluating expressions with exponents. It's on page 163 of your Practice and Problem Solving book. Adrian wants to buy a skateboard that costs $85. So, this is how much money Adrian has to have. After 1 month, he has $4 in savings. So it's not very much money, but it says that he plans to quadruple the amount he has saved each month for 4 months. So it doesn't say he's going to quadruple the amount that he is saving. It's the total amount that he's saved. Okay. When it says quadruple, it means getting bigger 4 times. So quadruple means 4 times as much. And it says we're multiplying the amount that he saved by 4 times as much. It does not mean that he's saving 4 times as much each month. It means that the amount saved is 4 times as much each month. It says, will he have enough money to buy the skateboard in 4 months? So when we think about this question, one way the book took the approach to solving this problem would just be by making a model. And so you can see they've clearly labeled the model each month about how much money he will have saved. And so in the first month it says in the question that he has $4. So in month 1 he has $4. Each month after that, the amount in his savings quadruples. So this is the 4 from here, and then this is the quadrupling amount, so 4 times 4 is 16. Again, this represents how much he had in month 2, and then it is quadrupling in month 3, making 64. And then this represents the amount he had in month 3, it is quadrupling again, now he has $256. So when it asks, will he have enough money to buy the skateboard in 4 months, he definitely will, because he will have $256, and that is more than $85. So he will for sure have enough money to buy his skateboard after 4 months. And that's basically what it asks. To tie this to exponents, and I'm afraid I'm going to answer some of your questions here, but that's okay. It may ask you to represent how much money he has in month 5 using exponents. So let's just pretend, okay, month 1, make our own chart here. Month 1, he has 4 to the first power. Month 2, he really has 4 to the second power. We also know this is pronounced as 4 squared. After month 3, he has 4 to the third power. We should really say it appropriately though, 4 cubed. Okay, and now you can see that in the chart that the book wrote, it didn't write 4 times 4 times 4, but really 16 is 4 times 4. And so you can see this, so the 4 squared comes from 4 to the first power, and 4 times 4 times 4 makes 64 times another 4, that equals 256. And so that's where that's coming from. So that's the 4 cubed, 4 to the fourth, and so on. So month 4, 4 to the fourth, and again, that's not 4 times 4, that's not 16, it's actually much bigger than 16, it's 256. It might ask you a question about, like, write this in exponential form. Okay, exponential form just means write a long multiplication problem in with an exponent instead, shorthand. That's called exponential form. It could ask you how much money will he have saved in month 7. So if I follow my pattern here, in month 7 he would have 4 to the 7th power, that much money saved. And you'd be surprised how much money that is if you actually calculated it. Okay, but that's how that works. There's a keyword called quadruple. That means multiplying it by 4 times as much. It's important to make sure you read the question carefully because he's not saving 4 times as much each month. He's actually increasing the amount he has saved by 4 times each month, and it's important because that's a big difference there. So that's it for today. We're talking about exponents and expressions, things of those nature, so that's all I got.